Hi guys, in today's video we are going to be making fresh celery tea, and this tea is a replacement for your coffee. Add about 1 liter of water into your boiling kettle and start boiling. Then you need of course your fresh celery and some oranges. You are going to chop that celery into smaller pieces. If you have a tea bag or you have a container like this, you can add that, or your tea bags are sold everywhere, so you can get that. Then you are going to slice some sweet oranges and add this into your tea can, and then place this also in tea can. Add your hot water into it. Once you add the water, cover it and set it aside for 30 minutes. This tea is against inflammation and it can reduce your blood pressure. And once that is done and you can see that it is done, you are going to add the water into your kettle and drink some of it. This is what I'm going to be drinking this morning. You can take this in an empty stomach, just the way you wake up and drink coffee. You can replace this with you can replace your coffee with this tea, and it is very nice and refreshing. And the orange gives it a very nice taste. It's not bitter, it's not sweet, it's just normal, and it calms you very down. And if you're not able to finish it like I do, I add this into my tea flask and then I drink it the whole day. This is just to keep it warm, that anytime you come back you're still going to see some warm tea. And the rest of it I'm not going to throw away. I'm just going to add water into it and leave it aside, and then the next day I can warm it up also and drink. So this tea is very healthy. If you love this tea, do not forget to share and like. Thank you so much and see you next time. Bye.